Hey guys, we are back again for another travel video. And this time we will be looking at a country that most people consider one of the best holiday destinations anywhere around the globe. That country is Portugal. So, in today's travel guide, we will be looking into the various aspects that make Portugal such a desirable travel destination for many backpackers and travel enthusiasts around the world. Additionally, we will also be looking at the best places to visit in the stunning country of Portugal. To delve even further, we will also explore some of the more fun and exciting things you can do in Portugal. Without dragging any further, let's begin. Welcome, dear travelers, to a symphony of culture and history, echoing through the cobblestone streets of Portugal. In this latest exploration, we'll unravel the mysteries of Lisbon and beyond, unveiling the secrets that make this country a timeless masterpiece. As the fado music beckons, let's embark on a journey through the heart and soul of Portugal. Alfama, the oldest district of Lisbon, where every alleyway is a page in the storybook of Portugal. The morning sun gently illuminates the intricate tiles adorning the buildings, each telling tales of a bygone era. As we soar higher, the 7 hills of Lisbon unfold beneath us, whispering stories of resilience and cultural richness. Behold São Jorge Castle, an ancient sentinel with walls that have witnessed centuries of triumphs and tribulations. From its vantage point, the city sprawls out like a living canvas, a testament to Lisbon's ability to blend tradition and modernity. But our journey doesn't end here, it's merely the beginning. Bairro Alto and Baixa, where the heartbeat of Lisbon quickens. Narrow alleys adorned with vibrant street art lead us to hidden gems, where locals and travelers alike gather to celebrate life. From lively markets to the clinking of glasses in cozy taverns, these neighborhoods tell stories of resilience, cultural exchange, and the unyielding spirit of Lisbon. And of course, our journey wouldn't be complete without a ride on Lisbon's iconic trams. These charming vehicles navigate the city's hills, offering a nostalgic journey through time. As we embark on this adventure, we immerse ourselves in the sights, sounds, and flavors that define Lisbon. Lisbon, a city that whispers tales through every stone and alley. As we step into the historic Alfama district, the heartbeat of Lisbon, we're greeted by narrow cobblestone streets that have witnessed centuries of stories. These ancient pathways echo with the soulful melodies of fado, Portugal's heartfelt music genre. It's not just a district, it's a living, breathing testament to the city's resilience and cultural richness. Our ascent to São Jorge Castle is a journey through time. From its elevated vantage point, Lisbon unfurls beneath us like a captivating storybook. The castle itself, a testament to the city's defensive past, adds layers to our understanding of Lisbon's evolution. But the journey doesn't stop there. Lisbon invites us to explore further, to neighborhoods like Bairro Alto and Baixa, each with its own personality. Bairro Alto, known for its eclectic nightlife and charming alleys, invites us to discover the city's contemporary spirit. Meanwhile, Baixa, the lower town, with its grand squares and elegant boulevards, speaks to Lisbon's resilience after the devastating earthquake of 1755. It's a city where tradition meets modernity, where history coexists with the present in perfect harmony. No exploration of Lisbon is complete without a journey on its iconic trams. These charming vehicles navigate the city's hilly terrain, providing not just transportation but a nostalgic journey through time. The clatter of the tram, the passing views of historic architecture, and the occasional glimpse of the Tagus River create an unforgettable experience. And as we traverse Lisbon's hills, one cannot ignore the allure of the local markets. Mercado da Ribeira, with its historic significance, not only offers an array of local delicacies but also serves as a cultural hub where locals and visitors converge to experience the true essence of Portuguese cuisine. In essence, Lisbon, a city of 7 hills, is a living mosaic of the past and the present. From the soulful echoes of fado in Alfama to the vibrant energy of Bairro Alto and the grandeur of Baixa, every step in Lisbon is a step through time, through history, and through the beating heart of Portugal. Our journey northward brings us to Porto, a city where history seamlessly intertwines with the flowing waters of the Douro. The Ribeira district, a palette of vibrant colors lining the riverbanks, unfolds before us. This is not merely a city, it's a living testament to the passage of time, each cobblestone whispering stories of generations past. And as we step into the pages of one of the world's most enchanting bookstores, Livraria Lello, we find ourselves immersed in the intersection of literature and architecture. This is not just a bookstore. It's a sanctuary for those who seek solace in the written word. The Gothic facade and the intricate wooden staircase beckon book lovers to embark on a literary journey. As we ascend the Clerigos Tower, the cityscape unfolds like a tapestry beneath us. A panoramic view that encapsulates centuries of growth, resilience, and architectural prowess. But our exploration doesn't end here, it merely takes a different path. Crossing the Douro, we find ourselves in Vila Nova de Gaia, the guardian of Porto's most celebrated elixir, port wine. The cellars, huddled against the hills, harbor not just barrels of wine but tales of craftsmanship passed down through the ages. The air is thick with the aroma of aging spirits, and each sip is a communion with the past. Porto is not just a city, it's a sensory experience. It's the taste of aged wine on your lips, the echoes of history in the narrow streets, and the embrace of a city that invites you to be a part of its story. This is Porto, where every sip, every step, and every sunset by the Douro is an ode to the enduring spirit of Portugal. Our journey takes a dreamlike turn as we venture into the fairy tale landscapes of Sintra. This enchanting town, nestled among the hills just a breath away from Lisbon, unveils a world where reality and fantasy intertwine seamlessly. Penha Palace, a masterpiece perched atop the Sintra Hills, offers not only breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape but also a journey back to Portugal's 19th-century romanticism. The vivid hues of the palace, ranging from soft pastels to vibrant reds and yellows, create a visual symphony against the backdrop of the lush greenery. But Sintra's magic doesn't stop at Penha Palace. As we meander through the grounds of Quinta da Regaleira, a mystical estate tucked away in the heart of Sintra, the very essence of Portugal's enchantment reveals itself. The gardens, filled with secret tunnels, grottos, and symbolic wells, invite us to explore a world where every step is a dance with the unknown. Quinta da Regaleira, with its inverted towers and mysterious symbolism, ignites the imagination. It's a place where the natural and the mystical coalesce, offering visitors a chance to transcend reality and immerse themselves in a fairy tale realm. But Sintra's charm extends beyond its hilltop palaces and mystical estates. The Moorish castle, perched strategically on a hill, whispers tales of the region's medieval history. As we explore its ancient walls, the views of the Sintra Hills and Penha Palace in the distance create a mesmerizing panorama. Descending into the town center, Sintra reveals its quaint charm. Cobblestone streets wind through the heart of the town, adorned with artisan shops and local eateries. It's a place where history and modernity coexist harmoniously, inviting visitors to not only witness the tales of the past but to become a part of the ongoing narrative. Our journey takes a sunlit detour to the Algarve, the southernmost region of Portugal. Here, the land meets the sea in a harmonious dance of sun, sand, and sea. Praia da Marina, with its golden sands embraced by limestone cliffs, unveils a postcard-perfect scene that beckons travelers to unwind and absorb the natural beauty that defines the Algarve. But the Algarve is not just about idyllic beaches. Venture towards Ponta da Piedade, where nature has sculpted the coastline into a breathtaking masterpiece. Towering cliffs adorned with intricate rock formations frame the sea, creating a dramatic backdrop that showcases the raw power and artistic finesse of Mother Nature. Our journey continues into the heart of charming villages like Lagos and Alvor, where the whispers of history echo through narrow alleys and ancient city walls. These coastal settlements are not just places on the map, they are living reflections of Portugal's maritime legacy, where every stone has a story to tell. In the bustling markets of Lule, the vibrant tapestry of Algarvian culture comes alive. Locals and visitors alike gather to explore stalls laden with fresh produce, traditional crafts, and the rich flavors of regional cuisine. The Algarve invites you to savor not just its landscapes but also its culinary delights, a fusion of sea and land that captivates the palate. And so, as we bid farewell to the Algarve, we leave behind not just footprints on the sands of its beautiful beaches but also imprints on our hearts. The Algarve is a symphony of sun, sand, and sea, where every wave carries the echoes of a timeless melody that lingers in the soul of every traveler fortunate enough to experience its magic. Our journey takes a profound turn as we step into Évora, a city that acts as a living testament to Portugal's journey through time. The Roman Temple of Évora, dating back to the 1st century, stands resilient against the test of centuries. Its Corinthian columns, weathered by history, tell tales of an era long gone. As we explore the intricate details of the nearby Gothic cathedral, we witness the evolution of architectural styles that have shaped the city's skyline. Yet, perhaps one of the most intriguing stops in Évora is the Capella dos Ossos, the Chapel of Bones. A solemn yet awe-inspiring experience awaits those who enter this unique space. Decorated with human bones, the chapel was built by Franciscan monks in the 16th century as a reminder of life's transience. It's a place where mortality meets artistry, creating an atmosphere that is both contemplative and hauntingly beautiful. As we stroll through Praça do Heraldo, the city's central square, we find ourselves surrounded by the charming allure of Évora. Cafes spill out onto the cobblestone streets, and locals engage in unhurried conversations. The square, with its Renaissance-style fountain at its center, serves as a gathering point for both residents and visitors alike, offering a glimpse into the daily life of this historic city. And what better way to delve into the heart of Évora than through its gastronomy? Local taverns beckon with the flavors of Alentejo cuisine, robust, hearty, and rich in tradition. From the famed migas to succulent pork dishes, every bite tells a story of the region's culinary heritage. Évora, with its well-preserved architecture, offers not only a visual feast but a culinary one as well. As the sun sets over Évora, we reflect on a day spent wandering through a city that breathes history. The Roman temple, the haunting beauty of the Capella dos Ossos, the lively atmosphere of Praça do Heraldo, and the flavorful traditions of Alentejo cuisine, all woven into the fabric of Évora. Our final destination, Coimbra, a city where the echoes of academia resonate through time. The University of Coimbra, perched atop the hill, stands as a guardian of knowledge. Its Joanina Library, with its resident bats and ancient tomes, whispers the wisdom of centuries. The Royal Palace, a testament to Portugal's regal history, overlooks the city and the Mondego River, providing a breathtaking backdrop. Wandering through the medieval streets of the Alta district, where every cobblestone is steeped in history, we witness the harmonious coexistence of tradition and modernity. Cafes buzz with lively discussions, and the air is filled with the scent of academia. In this atmospheric setting, we invite you to join us for a traditional fado performance in one of Coimbra's intimate taverns. Fado, a musical genre that encapsulates the soul of Portugal, takes center stage. The haunting melodies and heartfelt lyrics tell stories of longing, love, and the human experience. It's a journey into the emotional core of Portugal's cultural identity. As the singer's voice resonates through the tavern, you can feel the passion and melancholy that define this art form. Coimbra, with its academic prestige and cultural richness, offers a captivating finale to our Portuguese odyssey. As the music fades and the medieval streets whisper their tales, we bid farewell to this city where tradition meets academia in a harmonious dance. As our journey through Portugal comes to a close, we find ourselves standing on the shores of a country that whispers tales of history, culture, and natural wonders. We've wandered through the vibrant streets of Lisbon, tasted the history of Porto, and explored fairy tale landscapes in Sintra. The sun-kissed beaches of the Algarve, the timeless allure of Évora, and the academic traditions of Coimbra have woven together a narrative that spans centuries. Portugal, a country that invites every traveler to become a storyteller, to etch their own narrative onto its ancient tapestry. As we bid farewell to this enchanting land, remember that the journey doesn't end here. The memories we've created, the stories we've uncovered, and the beauty we've witnessed will continue to unfold in the hearts of those who explore this remarkable corner of the world. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. With that, I hope to see you guys in our next travel video. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with discovery, and may the spirit of Portugal linger in your heart.